If you want to reduce the amount of in-app animations on X, formerly Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to turn on reduce motion. This can make the app feel smoother and less distracting, especially if you prefer a simpler browsing experience or want to limit visual movement while scrolling. If this video helps, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick social media tips and tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open X on your device and look at the left navigation bar. At the bottom of that menu, click More. This opens the extra settings and account options. From there, click Settings and Privacy. Once the settings menu opens, look for Accessibility, Display and Languages and click it. Inside that section, select Accessibility. This is where X keeps options that help customize how the app behaves and appears for you. Now find the Reduce Motion option and toggle it on. As soon as you enable it, X will limit many of the in-app animations so the interface feels less busy and more comfortable to use. That's all you need to do. You've now limited the amount of in-app animations in X, and the change should help reduce motion throughout the app. If this tutorial helped, be sure to hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.